Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 7th, 2024, and we have some compelling stories to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Elon Musk has recently declared that Tesla is now an AI company. This shift in focus comes as the company's core automotive business faces challenges. Historically, Tesla thrived on innovation, like using laptop cells for electric vehicles and establishing a fast-charging network. However, Musk's pivot towards AI seems driven by current market trends, with significant investments flowing into the AI sector. Despite this new direction, Tesla's financials indicate heavy expenditure on GPUs for AI development, raising concerns about the neglect of its vehicle production. The company's product lineup is aging, and sales have been declining despite price cuts, leading to shrinking profits. Analysts suggest that Musk's focus on AI and robotics may detract from stabilizing Tesla as a traditional automaker, which typically operates at lower profit margins. Tesla's valuation, currently at $661.5 billion, is predicated on the potential success of a robotaxi business. However, experts argue that this model may not be as profitable as anticipated due to high operational costs. Previous attempts by companies like Uber and Lyft to replace human drivers with autonomous vehicles did not yield the expected profits. Additionally, the complexities of developing and maintaining a fleet of autonomous vehicles add to the financial burden. While Musk claims that data from Tesla's vehicles could be leveraged for other AI applications, the actual portability and effectiveness of this data remain uncertain. The skepticism around the viability of a robotaxi model is palpable, and it remains to be seen how Tesla will navigate these challenges. In other news, a tragic accident occurred in the Baytown area of Texas early on August 5, 2024, when a Tesla Cybertruck crashed into a concrete culvert and subsequently burst into flames. The incident took place around 1:45 a.m. on Fisher Road near the Grand Parkway. The driver, who has not yet been identified due to severe burns, died at the scene. State troopers from the Texas Department of Public Safety reported that they were unable to identify the vehicle's license plate, or VIN, because of the fire's intensity. This incident is potentially the first fatal crash involving a Cybertruck, according to automotive industry reporter David Tracy. He noted that electric vehicles, including the Cybertruck, have different combustion characteristics compared to traditional vehicles, which may require specialized handling by first responders. The National Transportation Safety Board has not yet been called to investigate the crash, but the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is aware of the situation and is gathering information from Tesla. As of now, Tesla has not provided any comments regarding the incident. The investigation is ongoing, and authorities are working to determine the cause of the crash. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.